Hey, this is John with the Utopia Experience. Today we're going to be making vegan cream cheese, and it is delicious and it's easy. Actually, the only thing that we need is basically a little bit of smoked paprika, and this is optional. You don't need it if you don't want to, but I think it's amazing. A little bit of salt. I use sea salt. We have a little bit of powdered onion, like onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a lot of nutritional yeast, a little bit of coconut oil, and some cashews, all right? All of these ingredients, really, you can tweak it to your liking, to your taste buds, so what's good for you. I'm all about cooking with sentiment and what feels good for you. So like I said, I'm gonna definitely do it my way. I'm gonna give you like a breakdown on a recipe of how I'm doing it, but play around with it, make it your own. Like I said, you don't need to follow a recipe in life, just go through it and make it your own. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be adding a little bit of cashews here. So we're gonna probably do 2 cups just to get an idea. We're gonna wanna boil these for about 5 minutes. The reason that we wanna boil these cashews is that it will soften them up. When we go to blend this down, that way it's not so chunky. Because if we just throw the cashews in right now and blend it up, like I said, it'll be a little bit chunky. It won't be like smooth and creamy. The other thing just to keep in mind, if you don't want to boil your cashews and you've thought about this, you know, a day in advance, you can also soak your cashews overnight and you don't have to boil them. So completely up to you. All right, so basically it's been about 5 minutes, and what you can do is, like I said, just take one out of there, let it cool down for a second, and then basically you just want to taste it. You don't want it to be crunchy. You want it to be super soft. You kind of want the nut to kind of fall apart in your mouth, and you know it's ready. And so these are definitely ready. So basically, so you can see these are steaming, nice and hot and nice and soft. They are good. So creamy. Just get them in our blender here. I usually just save a little bit of the hot water. And basically, normally what you want to add is about, I usually start with about a half a cup just to see, and then I'll save the rest of this just depending on if we need it or not. Okay, so we always want to add a little bit of water. Normally what I do is, for the 2 cups, I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I like the nutritional yeast, so for me, I always add more than less. So I'm personally gonna do about 4 tablespoons. Some people think that's excessive. I don't. Actually, I'm gonna make it 5. 1 tablespoon, actually, I'm gonna do about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. So for me, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of black pepper. This is the garlic powder. Once again, I'll do 2 tablespoons of that. Just about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And once again, depending on you, if you like it extra salty, want some more. So the smoked paprika, same thing, that's completely up to you. I do just about a little under 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And like I said, we're gonna blend this up. Now, we're definitely gonna want this extra water. I can see that already. So that was about 3/4 of a cup of water. We might actually need to add a tiny bit more. So right now we're gonna bring down one of our vegan bagels that we made the other day. That's another video coming soon. We're gonna toast that, and like I said, we're gonna use this for an amazing spread. So, hey, how's it going, buddy?
Yeah.
You wanna try some?
Yeah.
What do you think about this? What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You wanna try a bite of the bagel? Yeah? Awesome. This is Obi, by the way. He's a upcoming master chef. So. Yeah, that's a tablespoon. You want to help? Okay. You know what? We could actually, I think Daddy said we could probably put a little bit more salt in here. I think, yeah, just a little bit. You want to take this and let's put like a 1/2 tablespoon more of salt. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's a big help. I couldn't have done it without you. Really? No, I know. It's amazing. Good teamwork, man. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Yeah. Yeah, and I want to open it. Oh yeah, look at that. Here, let's mix that up a little bit. Nice. Here, do you want to try it? Yeah. Hey, do you want to stir it?
No.
Okay. You just want to dip your finger in there? Okay. What do you think? Is it good? Good job. Well, guys, This is vegan cream cheese brought to you by Obi. Nice. Oh, you think Indy wants one?
Yeah.
Good idea. You know what? I tell you what, do me a favor. I want you to have yours, and you take this one to Indy, okay? That's yours. Amazing. You're such a good brother. All right, guys. So, like I said before, this is vegan cream cheese. Super easy. The whole process is about 10 to 15 minutes. Like, it's really, really simple. And I mean, you might not even call it a cream cheese. Some people would say it's a spread, but for me, it's got a really nice texture. When you put it in the refrigerator, because it has the coconut oil in it, it also firms up a little bit and it makes it really nice and spreadable, and it has an amazing flavor. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Have a great day.